Did you know that apple cider vinegar has a rich and ancient history dating back to Egyptian and Greek cultures, being used by Hippocrates as a healing agent for wounds and relief from coughs and colds? And nowadays, this powerful substance is gaining more and more popularity, being used not only in cooking, but also as a preservative, cleaning agent, and of course, with incredible medicinal benefits. If you enjoy this type of content, subscribe to the channel and join us on this journey towards amazing health and longevity. Now, let's delve into the wonderful benefits of apple cider vinegar. But before that, it's essential to know the correct way of usage to avoid issues like enamel damage on teeth or stomach irritations. If you intend to use liquid apple cider vinegar, the recommended dosage is 1 tablespoon diluted daily, mixed with about 240 milliliters of water. Consuming it directly can be harmful, so proper dilution is crucial, and you might even use a straw to protect your tooth enamel. But if you're like most people who don't enjoy the strong taste of apple cider vinegar and prefer to take it differently nowadays, thanks to science and technology, you can find pure apple cider vinegar extract in the form of easy-to-swallow capsules. For example, you can check out pure apple cider vinegar from the manufacturer Vitapost, which contains 1,300 milligrams of concentrated ACV in each capsule and undergoes a natural fermentation process. This could be an alternative so you don't miss out on the benefits of apple cider vinegar in your diet. We'll leave the link to the official Vitapost website in the pinned comments of this video. And after watching and learning about all the wonders of this substance, you can safely access the website. That being said, now let's uncover the impressive benefits that apple cider vinegar offers for weight control. Thanks to its acetic acid content, you'll experience increased satiety, which naturally reduces your food intake. Moreover, it interferes with fat accumulation in the body and stabilizes blood glucose levels. Research already indicates significant differences between those who consume apple cider vinegar and those who don't. Incredible, isn't it? It's important to note that apple cider vinegar contains about 20 kilocalories per 100 milliliters, and a 15 milliliter tablespoon would only have 3 kilocalories, meaning it has very few carbohydrates and no fat, protein, or salt. It also contains polyphenols and other substances that contribute to its beneficial properties. It's beneficial for regulating blood sugar or glucose levels, but how does it do that? Through 3 fundamental mechanisms. The first is the delay in gastric emptying. If food takes a little longer to move from the stomach to the intestines, it slows down the absorption of carbohydrates or sugars into the bloodstream. These 2 effects combined make blood sugar levels more stable, with fewer sudden changes, and insulin doesn't fluctuate as much. And thirdly, it increases insulin sensitivity. This means that insulin will have more effect on cells and make them more efficient in taking glucose from the bloodstream, from the blood to muscle cells, the liver, or the body in general. These 3 mechanisms contribute to stabilizing blood sugar levels, which is beneficial especially for people with type 2 diabetes mellitus, but also for people in general. Now, we can't ignore the positive effects on the heart and blood vessels, as proper use of apple cider vinegar helps reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL, as well as lower blood triglycerides, a true cardiovascular protector. And if you're seeking an ally for digestive health, apple cider vinegar is an excellent choice. Its probiotic effect helps improve gut flora, while its antiseptic properties combat harmful bacteria. But it doesn't stop there. It can also assist in treating issues like heartburn and reflux by regulating stomach acid levels. In addition to providing all these mentioned benefits and many others to health, apple cider vinegar is also a true powerhouse when it comes to being an antiseptic, fighting bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Its diluted form can be applied to objects and surfaces for disinfection, and it's effective in cases of skin problems, ear infections, lice, and warts. Its versatility is impressive. Speaking of skin, nails, and hair, diluted apple cider vinegar could be your secret to a flawless appearance. Experience the benefits in treating conditions like atopic dermatitis, eczema, acne, and even combating nail fungi. Its traditional use is a testament to its effectiveness. The beneficial properties of apple cider vinegar are attributed to its rich composition, containing acetic acid, polyphenols, vitamins, and essential minerals. It's truly a source of health. Of course, as with any treatment or substance, it's necessary to take precautions. Always consult a healthcare professional if you have any health issues, are taking medications, or have an apple allergy. Enjoy all the incredible benefits that apple cider vinegar has to offer, and share your experience in the comments. We extend special thanks to those who have supported the channel by liking this video. Share this channel so more people can see it. Subscribe and check out other health-related videos. We hope you've enjoyed this valuable information. Until next time.